Welcome to the first installment, the first chicken dance of chicken. No, what is it? Design chicken. This competition is sponsored by and brought to you by chickens everywhere. Love them. For today's chicken dance, we have our first participant, Joey, the super wise Collins. Yes, thank you for being here. He will be taking on our second participant, Andy, the space asteroid Barnard. As I announced in yesterday's log video, if you missed it, today's chicken dance, the project will involve a flyer for a weekend design course at the local community college. And the last episode of Design Chicken, the single time boy layout for this was the winner. So we will be going through participants one at a time. All right, quick reminder, if you're a fan of Design Chicken, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to share it with your best friend, okay? Nobody else, only your best friend. And I announced the project in yesterday's video, and I told you guys if you want to get it in today's video, you could post it to the gram and call me out. So we have a couple designs. One from Space Panda Design. I think it's origami paper inspired. I really love that concept. The next one, I think it's called Grace Design. I don't know, there's an X in there. But this flyer is absolutely super cool. I love this whole become an excellent designer. And the logo is so fun. Check out her Instagram. She actually made like a pattern and then a couple of other versions of the logo. So very good job. Okay, let's get started with Joey, the super wise Collins flyer design. Go. Okay, so it looks like our boy Joey is starting in Illustrator. Starting with a DCC. Looks like he has some concepts for how to integrate something into the D. I like this idea. Let's follow along and see where it takes us. Oh yeah, it's the chicken. It's the design chicken. Did you guys know that the thing on top of a chicken's head is called the comb? I feel like that's true. I'm sorry if I'm saying fake facts. Oh, that's good, better. He balanced the line thickness a little bit more. That's nice. That's very good. Always like copy your stuff in Illustrator. That's what I do at least. I'm not trying to say that's the way you should do it, but that's what I do. You always like copy your thing over before you want to make any changes that would be too late to go back. And then also you can see them side by side, which one changes you want to make. So this is nice. It's got several different, oh, I love this one. Look at this. The chicken's like a negative space cutout of the D. Oh, that's real strong. I like that. But we will see what he decides. Joey has a lot of pressure on him because his nickname is Super Wise. So he has to make the right choice. Oh no, it's a lot of pressure. Also, he's named that, in case you missed the first one, he's named Super Wise because which one are we watching? Anyways, sorry, I had to check to make sure we were watching the right file. He's named that because he had 6 wisdom teeth instead of the regular 4. I have a, what do you call this? I don't know. I have a spare tooth, like up here, maybe, somewhere. I've never seen it or felt it in real life, but every time I go to the dentist, they take x-rays, and he's just up there, chilling, living his best life, not having to bite any food, thank goodness. Okay, so it looks like he sketched out another idea after he made a couple vector ideas, which is pretty cool. I like seeing that, not being afraid to go back to a sketching idea after you've already made some ideas if you think something else could be stronger. Sometimes we stick to ideas that maybe aren't as strong because we've spent more time on them. Just like poker. You know, you bet a lot of money. I don't know, I've actually never played the actual poker, but I hear this. You bet a lot of money and then it starts going poorly for you, but since you bet so much money, There's something called a sunken cost fallacy. That's what it's called. It very much applies to design as well, at least for me. Hey, let me know if you guys experience this as well. Okay. Oh no. Oh, okay. Joey, what happened to the other designs? That's okay. I think this could work. I like this decision to just go DCC, a vertically oriented. Design chicken's kind of 3 long words, so kind of a lot of letters. Oh, okay, so he's transitioned from design thought process to information / marketing process. So he's writing out the things he wants to write on the flyer. That's very good. I think it's a very important step for us as designers to be able to cross the divide, to figure out, okay, does this look good on one hand, and then will this be effective? What kind of information would be good? So we made the jump to Photoshop. Okay, now we're back in Illustrator. But anyways, we were in Photoshop for a while, and he was working with a lot of different, like, vector paintbrush splatter things, and then it's also on top of this paper. Okay. He's stacking a lot of different images for the background. This is looking quite fun. I think the goal here is to be, like, evocative of, you might learn these techniques in the design chicken. So it's fun to show that, I think. We just have to make sure it's a good balance. It seems like Joey's pretty comfortable in working with layers and things in Photoshop, so that's nice to see. I like designers who can work in both Photoshop and Illustrator. It's very important that you know both. And then the advice I give, but don't listen to my advice, is that you should definitely know Illustrator and Photoshop like 100%. I mean, it's hard to get done, and then just choose like 1 or 2 others based on what industry you're currently working in. So if you're working more with like web apps or things, then, you know, choose like Sketch or XD, whichever one. Or if you're working more with print, then of course learn InDesign. If you're working with animation, then learn After Effects. I don't think it's necessarily that we learn everything, because eventually, if you've been working in like the field for 10 years or something, you should have a pretty good understanding of all of them. That's where I'm trying to get, at least. But there is a thought about like going deeper, especially if you're learning After Effects. This is totally off topic, but I hope you don't mind. After Effects is like way more powerful than other things, so if you're an animator, you know, I wouldn't blame you if you know After Effects really well, and then not like InDesign, for example. But okay, this is looking good. I like this. In terms of like how much information we have, designcc.com. Oh, then it's almost like designcreativecloud.com as well. A little bit of a connection there. Chicago College. Visual Design Workshop. That's probably stronger to say than just like design workshop. Join us for our pizza, not chicken party. That's really good. Oh, okay, I think it's over. Good job, Joey. Okay, I won't say too much about it because it is up to your opinions. So I'm gonna show this one right here for a little while. And we shouldn't vote yet. The vote will be at the end. So let's go on to Andy Barnard's. Let's go. Okay, we are also starting in Illustrator. Design chicken. Oh, this is looking nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, Andy, bump up the thickness. Oh, this is an interesting idea. I'm pretty sure this is an egg. So DCC is inside of the egg. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Oh, I thought it was gonna stay a comet shape because we got Andy's the space asteroid man. No, but this is a chicken. It's like a chick. Oh, okay, here we go. Get the comb. This guy looks so fun. Look how cute he is. Okay, we didn't like that head shape. Oh, look at this. This guy's much more modern. He went to the barber, got a trim up. Oh, that's an interesting idea. I like the changes in levels for the chicken's head. That's real nice. Try a little bit of a horizontal. Yeah, I mean I think that's gonna be the biggest challenge. You incorporate all of those words, design chicken chicken, with an icon. That would be very difficult to do. Okay, so he's gonna give it, redoing the idea here. A little bit more simple because we got rid of the shape for the body. This is so fun. I love watching these. Okay. That also looks kind of like a pencil. Will they incorporate the same iconography in both of their designs? Find out soon. Oh, look at this. The pencil just became the beak. And also, it kind of looks like a hand holding a pencil as well, which fits the whole design course thing. Wow. I don't know if that's intentional, but I'm gonna make that conclusion. I'll make that leap. Yeah. So I really like, I like the plethora of ideas that Andy, Space Asteroid, has going on here. This is fun. Now, comes down to decision time, I think, pretty soon at least. Andy's gonna have to decide. Well, I don't know. Which one is it? Oh yeah, this is rough. Okay, I think he's going with this one. That's a fun choice. I like that blue, very energetic. Oh, okay. He is also in Photoshop now. Oh, that's so clever. So both Joey and Andy both used Photoshop and Illustrator. We'll see where they differ. Right now they're, in terms of like the chicken and the pencil idea, incorporating, they're like spot on. I mean, spot on together, same idea, same concept. Ooh, I like how the date is a little bit differentiated by being italicized. That's kind of cool. And by kind of cool, I mean, that's real cool, man. Good job. Okay, we have, oh, look at this. This is looking very clean. Interesting. Right now, I feel like there's too much conflict between where the chicken's comb is cropped and the edge. So okay. Oh, pink is fun. Red. Okay. This is looking quite, ooh, look at those overlays ideas. It's always fun seeing where people travel to before they figure out, no, I don't want to go that direction. And then they about face and come back. So my thought is probably he's thinking that was a little bit too risky, a little bit too visual. Okay. This is interesting. I like the incorporation of these strong primary colors. Oh, flip it. Flip it good. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is looking quite, definitely I'll use the phrase visually striking. Okay, he's filling in, interesting. Yeah, where to put it. I'm trying not to say that I like something too much because I'm pretty certain it'll be changed in like a second. I wonder if either Andy or Joey have names for their chickens. I wonder if people name chickens in general. I feel like that would be a little bit cruel. Unless they plan to keep it for their whole lives. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, that's fun. I like that little block on the right because it separates where the content takes place in your mind. Okay, I think you may. Is that it? No. No, it's still going. Took a minute to think about it. Good. That's something I need to do more. I need to take longer breaks to look at stuff and think about it. Oh, look at that. It looks so good on white. Now we can tell that the background is actually a very light gray. Oh, okay, now he's trying to figure out what's the best way to display it. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Yay, good job. Okay. Good job, Andy. But basically, I want to have our vote be, instead of just whose designs do you think is better, we can have different categories. I'm thinking right now, the logo, color, typography, layout, effectiveness. So, vote in the poll right now among those 5 things. I think that'll give us a better vision of who we think did a better job. But then even more importantly, I think it will help Andy and Joey. Go ahead and fill out the poll right now. Which one of these flyers do you think does a little bit better job in these categories? And design champions, if you feel so inclined, it would be, I think, really nice and positive if we leave some kind comments for each of these designers. That would be really helpful. Then the winner of this, either Andy or Joey, will be declared the King Chicken, and they will take on the next design chicken, who is Dom, the movie star O'Halloran. Okay, design champions, thank you so much for being here this week. You're the best in the world. Everybody knows it. No videos this weekend, but we will be back on Monday. So I really hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you then. All right, stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye, guys.